Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter passwords and security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and password. Let's start with password, and we are going to use each of them to unlock our phone. Simply type your password containing at least 4 characters. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN. And again, let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, we are going to use pattern. And now when it's done, let's go to fingerprint unlock. Now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now we can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock. And now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.